Fisher, what are you doing, buddy?
Wow, this is the best meal you've ever had, I think.
This is
The mouth goes open like, feed me, but I'm still playing.
Whee! Oh
There you
yeah,
go.
that's a little tough to do.
Yeah, yes it is.
Just try to hit my mouth.
Little sweet potatoes up the nose never hurt anybody. That's it, last one, bud. Here.
He'll probably need to go to the bathroom quicker because he's bouncing it right down to the spot where it needs to be.
You're right. You're right.
those sweet potatoes hit rock bottom real fast.
Here, last one. Here. Here.
I think I had enough of that.
There you go. Fabulous. That's all she wrote, my man.